You should have said no, you should have gone home. You should have thought twice before you let it all go. You should have known that word, but what you did with her, get back to me. Yeah, I should have been there in the back of your mind. You shouldn't be asking myself why. You shouldn't be begging for forgiveness at my feet. You should have said no, baby, and you might still have me.
Tell me the truth. It's obvious you like me.
Less and less of a second.
Come with me into the tree.